Are you ready to manifest your dreams and desire into reality? Hello, this is Neha and I'm here to help. In this video, I'm just going to be talk about manifestation and the law of attraction and how you can manifest anything. How you can come to know that whatever you want to manifest in your life, it you will receive it or not, and how much time it will take, you can understand after watching this video. So I'm just going to be talk about frequency, manifestation, law of attraction, and your vibrations as well. Suppose you are going to be manifest something into reality, okay, and you are watching different kind of videos regarding law of attraction techniques, tricks, how you can manifest that. You are just going to be scrolling a lot of thoughts about the regarding law of attraction at that time, and you are thinking, okay, I'm just going to be following every each and every technique of law of attraction so that I can manifest everything in my life whatever I want to attract. Hmm? So we are doing the same. When someone just going to be know about the law of attraction, then the person just going to be think, okay, what kind of techniques I can follow here so that I can attract and manifest whatever I want to attract here. But this is a big mistake, because when we talk about the techniques, when we talk about manifesting anything in your life, so it's not all about the techniques. Why people follow techniques? Why people are just going to be tell you a lot of different kind of law of attraction techniques here? Even there are a lot of videos available on internet, available on YouTube, in which people are going to be tell you different kind of tricks and techniques then that you can use and you can manifest your dreams and desires. But that's not true. It is because when you are going to be follow a technique, then simply mean you are going to be allocate only 10 or 20 minutes, but rest of, we can say 23 hours or rest of 24 hours, what you are doing, that matters the most. If you are allocating only 5 minutes to that particular technique and you are feeling happy, you are feeling enjoy, you are thinking like you are feeling at that time positive, but what about rest of the day? What about the rest of the hours? What, how you are feeling, what you are doing? So rest of the hours, rest of the day, whatever you are doing, how you are feeling, you are attracting. That's why people say, okay, I have followed different kind of law of attraction techniques and tricks, but what I wanted to attract, I couldn't. So the reason behind that, how you are going to be feel rest of the day. When it comes to be manifesting anything in your life, when it comes to be follow any technique or tricks regarding law of attraction, so it's not all about how you are feeling at the time when you are following, when you are going to be do that particular tips, tricks and techniques. What matters the most, how you are feeling rest of the day, what you are doing. So, if you want to know what you are just going to be manifest in your life, that is the simple principle that you have to understand. If how you are going to be feel, whatever you are going to be do, it could be like inspired action regarding what you want to attract, what you want to manifest in your life. So, suppose if you are taking inspire actions at that time, rest of the day, you have done tricks and techniques regarding law of attraction, but now it comes to be taking inspire actions. But suppose you are not doing that. You are writing down, you are doing different kind of scripting, different kind of tricks and techniques like affirmations, and there could be a lot of things you are doing to manifest your desires and dreams into reality. But because you are not taking inspire actions, then how you can suppose that the things are just coming into your life? No, it couldn't be. That's why we have to be understand that in a notebook you can write, okay, these are the things I can write down and I can think these kind of things. Okay, so like suppose now you are going to be write down your actions. What are inspire actions then you can take? But if you think that okay, these are the inspire actions I have to be take, and even you can take that. But if you are not doing anything, you are thinking okay, I'm just going to be follow tricks of law of attraction and I'm just going to manifest them, then it's not going to work for you, because inspire actions matters the most. And the second thing is your feelings, how you are feeling rest of the day. If you are feeling positive while applying that particular tricks of law of attraction, but rest of the day you are feeling like not good, you are feeling sad, you are not happy, then you are attracting the same thing, whatever how you are feeling at that time. So now you have to check how you are feeling and what kind of actions you are taking. That's it for today's video. I hope it helped. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.